going to be here about 5 minutes. So this has to be the most comfortable pose that you can actually find. And if you would like to try a breath practice, you can go back to the slightly longer but equal inhale and exhale. Or if you feel you're able to try to balance the breath, for instance, if you know you have a tendency to inhale longer, then you could do the inhale count half of what the exhale is. And that's really an anxiety reducing breath once you learn it. If it's causing anxiety as you're learning it, again, don't go for perfection, just do the best you can. Now, if you're putting your head over to one side in this pose, I will let you know about halfway through so that you can then turn your head to the other side. You literally only have one job in this. Your job is to observe, actually, two jobs, observe and work on your breath. When I say work, I don't mean in a traditional sense. I mean observe and coax and encourage your breath.